Hi, Dr. Marty here. I have two cats, and of course, there's cat hair all over the place. And I have a pretty good vacuum. I actually have a central vac, but it's a pain in the neck every time you're in a room and you see the cat hair to connect the vacuum and drag it in. So I'm watching the Home Shopping channel, and I saw this presentation for a Bissell vacuum that's a two-in-one, like little vacuum you hold in your hand, like when you clean your car, but you can hook it into a stick and use it as a regular vacuum, but it's all battery operated. It's cordless. And it would be easy to use that in between pickups. So I ordered it from the Home Shopping channel, and I'll show you how it went.
So I guess this is the charger, little mini brush for corners or for the couch, the main brush for the floor, and the main unit looks pretty sturdy. Let's see if it could take care of the pet's hair.
This is Candy, my cat, doing the official unboxing. It will be catastrophic.
So I guess this is the charger, little mini brush for corners or for the couch, the main brush for the floor, and the main unit looks pretty sturdy. Let's see if it could take care of the pet's hair. Let's see if it cleans up some of the litter around the litter boxes. Yeah, got everything. Handle folds down. You click that little lever, and the handle folds down for storage. Trying it on carpet. Good. No complaints.
Trying it here on the edges of the wall. Seems okay. Any little spots missed could always be done taking the unit out of the stick.
So I'm charging it right now. Just plugs into the wall. Little light flashes so you know it's charging. And this part will come off. It snaps right out, and you can use it as a handheld handy vac to clean around the furniture, clean the couch, and so on. So it's like two-in-one.
Overall, I would say it's a good product, and of course, you have to look at the price tag of approximately $100. So for $100, it gives you the convenience of a lightweight little vacuum that you can use in two ways: as a handy vac or on a stick like a regular vacuum, and very rapidly clean up messes that you might just leave alone because you don't want to drag out the big vacuums.